Imagine giving a not just intelligence, but real skills, like a trained employee who knows exactly what to do without being told every time. Today, I'm going to reveal something big from Anthropic, something that changes how we build AI agents forever. It's called agent skills. And this is not just prompting, it is true AI specialization. By the end of this video, you will understand how AI can load expertise on demand, how it can execute workflows like a trained professional, and I will even demonstrate it live. Let's go. What are agent skills? Agent skills are modular capabilities. Agent skills are like installing capabilities into AI, just like apps on your phone. Instead of repeating instructions again and again, you package knowledge, workflows, and even code, and the AI uses it automatically when needed. The key idea: prompts equal to one-time instruction, skills equal to reusable intelligence. Why is this a game changer? Let's be honest. Today, most AI systems are like smart interns, but with agent skills, they become domain experts. The benefits are no repetition, consistent output, complex workflows handled automatically, combine multiple skills, and build powerful agents. This is how you move from chatbot to autonomous AI systems. And how it actually works, this is where it gets really interesting. Agent skills use a file system based architecture. So here is an example of Agno's agent skill. Now here we have this sample skills folder, and in that folder we have a code review skill and a Git workflow skill. And if you look inside code review skill, there is a skill.md file, which is this, and then scripts folder has check style.python script, and references folder has style-md. So this is each skill structured like a folder, and it can have metadata which tells AI when to use it, instructions which are step-by-step workflows, then resources can have code, templates, and references. The genius part: AI does not load everything at once. It loads only what is needed. That is called progressive disclosure. And it has three-level intelligent loading system. Level 1 is metadata, always loaded. Just name and description. Very lightweight. Level 2 is instructions, loaded when triggered. Actual workflow steps and best practices. And level 3 can have resources and code, scripts, APIs, and data. This makes it efficient, scalable, and powerful. And the real power is code execution and automation. Here is the killer feature. Skills can actually run scripts, process files, execute workflows without bloating the content, meaning you can build AI that processes PDFs, AI that creates PowerPoints, AI that runs backend automation. In this real-world automation example, the task is summarize a PDF. What happens? AI detects the PDF skill, loads instructions, execute extraction, returns results, all automatically, no prompt engineering needed. And the important reality check: power comes with responsibility. Skills can execute code, they can access data, they can call tools. So only use trusted skills. Treat them like installing software. So let's look at a live demo using Agno agentic framework. Let's look at the Agno cookbook example. We start with our agent. So here is the script. Initially, we load the dot environment to load the API key for OpenAI. And here we import the agentic framework and also Agno skills library, which is an implementation of Anthropic agentic skills. Okay, now here we are defining a folder, skills dir, and skill sample underscore skills is the folder. Sample underscore skills has got a single folder, code-review folder. In that folder, we have the references folder, and references folder has the style guide. Okay, how the code should be styled. And scripts folder has check style.py, Python script. Okay, so skill can be in the form of script as well. So it will go through the code and give its feedback. See here, line exceeds 100 characters, trailing white space. All these are checked using our script, which is kept in the scripts folder inside skills folder. So there are two files for this skill. One is the references style-guide.md, another is scripts, which is check style.py. Then we have the skill MD that has the metadata also included, and the license Apache 2.0 license and code review skill, word wrapping. So review process, we are explaining step by step. First, check style. Second, run style check. Third, look for issues. Fourth, provide feedback. Okay, so that is what it is. Then in the script, after we provide the skill folder, we are defining the agent. In the agent, we are giving the skills folder. And in the agent definition, we are providing the skills. That is the skills class from Agno with the folder that has the reference and the script. Clear? And then the agent injection. Then here we are running the agent, and the demo is review this Python code and provide feedback. Okay. So let's run it. This is my run.sh that sets up the Python environment and executes the script. Okay, here it has completed. Okay, so review this Python code and provide feedback. This is the sample Python code. And it is called get skill instructions. So here get skill instruction will get the metadata, and the references will get the style-guide.md. And then is reviewing what is good, readable, straightforward, intent is clear, correct basic computation for a list of dictionary containing price and quantity. Function is short and single purpose, fits the style guide. See this? This is the feedback for the script. Then issues and improvements. Here it is giving the feedback, how to improve the current loop for I in range. Instead, it's asking for item in items. So we don't need the index. Okay, so this is more readable and simpler. Important, missing input validation, error handling. This will raise exceptions if these conditions occur. See this? Taking this further, there is another example in Agno where we convert this into a team and ask it to correct the script based on the feedback. So here we have an agent which is called implementer. Write code based on the review feedback. See this? And there is a bug in this. This agent, there are no skills provided. By mistake, Agno has placed the skills here for the team. For team, there is no skill available. So in order for this to work correctly, you need to shift this line and put it in this agent. So this team has got this implementer as the member. Okay, members, implementer. Then the instruction is review this Python code and suggest improvements. Then have the implementer write the improved version. Calculate total. Okay, just iterating a list. Let's run it. So I shifted the skills line from the team to the agent. So while it is running, let's conclude this is a shift. So this is a shift from AI tools to AI workers. With agent skills, we are no longer asking AI questions. We are building intelligent systems that think, act, and execute. So here, let's come from top. Okay, so review the Python code, get skill instructions, and the implementer response. the detailed feedback. That is the response from the implementer. Now, here the team tool called delegate task to a member ID implementer, review and suggested improvements. Your function works, but you can make it more Pythonic, safer and clearer. And the feedback is given here. Okay. And here is the improved version implemented by the implementer. It has given the improved version. So if you're serious about AI automation and building real world systems, this is something you must understand right now. If you found this valuable, please like, share, and give your valuable comments. And what skill would you build? If you want to go deeper, join our one-to-one mentor expert program. Let's build real AI systems together.